cameras and shit walking around. And they got them like, acting like if they're taking pictures and shit. But it's like an anchor. This is what they do. And I'm just documenting. Then we got this guy here who jumped in the river. And the son is like watching. They're looking back to see if I was watching. So yeah, I'm documenting. You know what I'm saying? Little street theater that they were doing. How was the water?
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous, huh?
Yes.
What made you do that?
It's a hot day. For years I said, I'm not swimming here. I live in the river.
Okay, and you did it.
And a few years to do it.
Aha! There you go. That makes sense. You had a good one.
It was nice.
Good for you. Street theater, man. Ain't nobody just gonna go ahead and do that, man. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. If he had a good time and he's, you know what I'm saying, supposedly enjoying the weather, and who goes inside? I mean, if you people were to see how dirty this water is, you know what I'm saying? This is the Hudson River here. You know what I mean? This is like one of the dirtiest, rivers that you could possibly think of, man, city-wise, man. And he got in there. You know what I'm saying? And he got in there all of a sudden. You know what I'm saying? His son was looking back at me. I didn't document the entire thing, but I just documented when he came out. You know what I'm saying? He put on his shirt and whatnot. Just so you see, what these people do, man. Just to do some street theater. It's a funny life and games and psyops and all that stuff, man. RT, TI, New York City, enjoying a beautiful Sunday, beautiful sky. Not many chemtrails today from what I can see, which is a good thing. All right, y'all. Until next time.